Hey.
Where are we?
I don't know.
Help me up, okay?
Jenna,
Oh.
I remember. A ham sandwich.
I remember a bear.
A bear.
A bear.
Oh, yeah! So like I had this like ham
Wait,
sandwich.
where is my ham sandwich?
Oh, I'm gonna get that dirty little bear. Now, I remember that ham. And I remember that bear. But I remember aliens.
Alien? Like what kind?
Aliens. Extraterrestrial.
I mean like the little short ones that green with big
Yeah,
head,
with
or
the
like
big
the purple
head.
ones with the tentacles?
The short ones. Big head. Big eyes.
Short, big,
And I believe that they put
Big
extraterrestrial organs in that elbow.
No!
You see how dry it is? You see how dry it is? Gotta knock it off for me. Knock it off.
Man, I'm tired, Pickles.
Yeah, we probably shouldn't have ran at the speed of light or tried to put the
We
ham sandwich
needed
back
to
in
put
the
the ham-
refrigerator.
So the bear wouldn't get it.
I know.
I mean, we saved us all this trouble. Now, what time is it?
I don't know. Hey, phone!
Oh, look, it's got battery. Oh,
Sundial.
I'm gonna use the sundial. Think it's near 1 a.m.
1 a.m.
Oh my gosh, we need to make sure. Piccoli, get some more sticks. I'll work on our shelter. Okay. Not at all.
Oh, hey, sit. Hey, do you need this stick?
No.
Yeah, it could be Harry Potter.
No, not the bench. It's too young. It's a good thing we did some wood carving skill classes.
Oh, yeah.
In kindergarten.
Now we can sit and be Harry Potter.
I went sim. I'm not sure if it's too stable. I used some grass and, kind of like... I'm tired. I think we need some rest.
We don't need rest, we need food! Let's go on then. Oh, look! A wombat! Wombat! I will get you, wombat. We'll find you, wombat.
Look, there it is!
Not a wombat.
Oh, she did!
You're an loser! I'm not dead! No, you're dead. Who said now? Huh? Who said now? Who said this? I guess we have no choice but eating clovers and wildflowers.
You eat first.
You eat it first.
You eat it first!
You eat it first!
I didn't go through this for nothing! You eat the dang flower! And?
I'm allergic to wildflowers! I'm allergic to wildflowers! My throat's closing up!
Breathe!
Just kill me now! Kill me now!
Your shoes untied.
What? My shoes are untied! I can't tie my own shoe! Forget my shoe! Forget this whole place! Forget it! Oh my god! I gotta get out of here! Wildflowers and wombats and crazy things. Hey! Are you eating my shoe? Give me my shoe! Give me my shoe! I feel wombat.
Pretty good if you take off the grass taste now and the shoe taste and the blood stains. Where am I? Why do I have a golf club? In a shower. Oh well. Go back to sleep.
What happened?